Are you Gotham's reckoning? No, I am, silly. But you can look like me, so come on and hop on Bane's workout train. How do I do all this working out? At the gym? No, at your house.
Why wouldn't I just do P90X?
No, your punishment must be more severe.
Day 1 didn't pay off. Day 2 didn't pay off. Of course, I'm talking about my other workout before Bane's workout. The pain train of Bane. Bane's workout, day 1 paid off. Bane's workout, day 2 paid off.
No one cared who I was until I put the mask on and got this rockin' board. My 6-disc DVD set includes my abs, my arms, and every other muscle you work out. And 3 copies of The Dark Knight Rises. Come on, let's go! Once you finish my 6-disc DVD box set, you have my permission to die. If you buy my workout CD right now, I will throw in my dieting cookbook. Hop on Bane's cooking train for free. Uh-oh! You better buy soon, or the time will run out. Gotham will be in ashes. All because you didn't buy my workout plan.
My bicep, it doesn't even fit in my shirt anymore, okay? You fucking hear me? My bicep doesn't fit in my fucking shirt anymore.